Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a gradient background color to a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now I will add gradient background color to this text box. Click this three dot option and select edit option. Again click on this text box and click this fill color option. Here you will find this gradient color option. Select here. You can add here custom gradient color. See this. And select here. Also you can create a custom color. You can add radial color, center, you can top, a bottom, I'll add linear and simply select OK. And now select save and close. And see this gradient background color already added here. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.